Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to check notification of TikTok, and in order for us to do that, all we have to do first is to make sure that we have enabled TikTok to actually send us notification, which is we're going to tap on the notification center, and then we are going to wait for this to load, or we can actually search for the TikTok application. Then once we tap on it, we are going to have to allow notifications. We are going to allow banners to appear at the top of the screen. Even while we are in the lock screen, we're going to actually even toggle on the play sound, the vibrate, and the other things like new followers, direct messages, live and mentions, push, and even the videos we might like. Another thing that we can actually do in order for us to check the TikTok application is to launch the TikTok application. And then from here, all we have to do is to tap on the inbox. And here we can actually see the new notifications, whether it may be in new followers or activities. Can actually tap on view all, and it's going to show us the notifications that people have been giving us. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.